Straight titanium wire is divided into pure titanium wire and alloy titanium wire. Rolling and drawing processes are used to produce straight tubes, bobbins, and coils. The surface is divided into three types: acid refining, polishing, and polishing. Pure titanium wire TA1. TA2 main application range: welding wire for equipment welding, titanium wire for glasses and other jewelry, titanium alloy frame, etc., structural wire for hanging tools, and can also be used as braided titanium mesh. And titanium wire made of titanium powder is used in 3D printers. Titanium and titanium alloy wire are widely used in military industry, glasses, earrings, headgear, electroplating hangers, welding wire, aerospace, petrochemical, medical and health, automobiles, construction, sports and leisure products, etc. Many fields.